Hello guys! Now I'm here to teach you essential commands for Linux starters. If you just install Linux, I think this will be very useful for you. And let's know the terminal or shell or aka many things. So this is essential for someone who has Linux, because although you can do almost anything without it, many things that aren't available, and installing some kind of program, this will be the way. This will be our friend if you know how to use it. So first things first, when you finish install Linux, you have to do an update. How you can do that? If you are a system administration of your machine, as I say, if you install Linux and made your account when it was installing, you are the system administrator. So you can do this command, sudo. It will give you permissions for anything. Literally anything. You put this behind the command and voila. And if you are not, if you are in a company and you are adapting and you're not sudo, you can't update the system. Some things are permission denied, and you have, if you is needed to access that file or modify it, just talk to the system administrator. So continue. Are you going to update your system? Sudo this will check if you have updates and if you have how many. It will not entirely update. So you enter. It asks for the password for the system administrator. Don't worry, it won't show. And you will check the links they have about the programs and where it can get. So the sources. Now we can see we have 3 packages that can be upgraded. If you want to see the list of upgradable, you can run upgradable. Oops. Just here, list. Now you can see here the packages that you want to update or are upgradable. So to upgrade them, you just do upgrade, enter. Asks if you want to update, yes, and they will upgrade. And it is upgrade. If you test again, do update, it will verify if it has any, and if they don't, all packages are up to date. If you want to install an app sometimes they give you the PPAs, which is the source you want to get your app if it's not included on Ubuntu Software Center. I can show you. If it's not here, many apps are here and it's all community based. The community of Ubuntu, like Ariel, can contribute for apps. It's all free, so worth it. If it's not here, the website of the program or thing you want to install or has a PPA or has the source code. If it has the source code, you have to open it. Normally is in a tar file or zip. You have to unzip it. You have to extract it. So, and normally in this website they have a README. If they don't, they have in the package. You just extract it, and you have to read it. And most of the times there are the instructions there, and you have to follow them. So, and there are the instructions there, and you follow. Otherwise, you have to install the PPA, and you have to update the system. And then they give you a command to install the program. Normally is the type apt or apt-get. It's another, but it does the same thing. So if you can see it, just install and the package name here. Just you install and you get it. So now we know how to upgrade and update and install a program. Now, if you want to create a user from the terminal, you have to do, or to clear the screen, you can do two things. Control L, or let me show you. Or you can do clear. They clear.